Money Talks. Learning objectives. 1. Money is valuable. 2. Understanding the need for money in a human's life. Warm up. There is a fun poem given. Find out the rhyming words and words related to money. Also, find out the repetitive words. Let's see how smart you are. Penny, penny, easy spent, copper brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5, I know that. Dime, dime, little and think I, remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, some call, you moose worth 25 cents. I won't let you lose. Loony, loony, golden treat, $1, it can't be beat. Toony, toony, silver and gold, the largest coin I've been told. You might have seen a parrot imitating the human words. Have you ever seen money talking? Is it not strange? O. Henry is a famous American writer. His stories are known for their wit, wordplay, warm characterization, and clever twist endings. Money talks, they say. Not just big bills, but even smaller ones can say a word or two sometimes. I am a $10 bill of 1909. I first came in a $500 packet of clean, new $10 bills from Pennsylvania to a bank in New York. Since then, I have seen every kind of business. Once I was tied up in a big, dirty roll of bills in Hawker's pocket. I was there for a long time and I hated every minute. He was saving his money to buy a big store, but one day he got into trouble with the police. I think he put his card in the wrong place. Well, it cost him a $10 bill. That's me. In my early days, I did not know about dirty money. Then, one day, I went to a man called Old Jack who was rich but unpopular. One night, a $20 bill spoke to me. Well, old 10, he said, you're lucky. Old Jack is going to spend a mountain of money tonight. Actually, he wanted to give it to a local charity, but they refused to accept it, saying it was dirty. So he says he's going to spend it all on some fun instead. That night, as the news got around, people began to follow us. Perhaps Old Jack's money was dirty, but everyone still wanted it. He treated everyone in the town. At last, we came to an expensive restaurant. Just then, a woman came quietly into the restaurant and went up to Old Jack's table. She was poor. Her frightened eyes were big in her white face. She just stood there. Old Jack stood up. He took me in his hand. Then he gave me to the woman with a smile. Madam, he said, they say that my money is dirty, but if you will accept it, this bill is yours. She took me with a shaking hand. Sir, she said, I counted thousands of bills like this when they were fresh and new. You see, I was a clerk in a bank that made them. I was fired by a dishonest manager because I would not do everything he wanted. Now I have no job and no money. You say that this bill is dirty money. It was dirty before it reached to you. Thank you with all my heart, sir. She took me to a baker's shop. She left me there and went away with a bag full of bread and cakes and two $1 bills. I didn't see her after that, but I met one of the $1 bills. Hello, $1, I said. Didn't I see you at the baker's shop last Saturday? Yes, said the $1 bill. The woman spent $1 on milk and vegetables for her little boy, a pale, thin child. My lord, how that little boy enjoyed the food! She saved me to pay the rent for the tiny room she had. You're lucky, Tim. I meet only the poor. Dirty bills like you meet more interesting people. Be quiet, I said. There is no such thing as dirty money. The important thing is not where the bill comes from. It's how you spend it. Talk of dirty money makes me tired. O. Henry adapted. Find meaning. Hawker, a person who goes from place to place selling things. 2. Charity, an organization that helps people in need. Quietly, in a quiet manner. Frightened, afraid or anxious. Exercises, creative expression. Tell your story. Have you or your parents helped someone poor by giving him money or food, clothes or toys? Share your story about the same with your classmates. How did the poor man feel? What do you feel and show? What did you experience? Learning by doing. On an A4 size sheet, write down a poem on money. Then read it out loud in front of the class. Mention what you can buy from the money your parents give you. Would you help someone in need? Critical thinking. Let's play a game. A fun riddle is here for you. Let's play this game. The money riddle. Play and win. The one who completes it fast wins. Money riddles. Logical decision making. Suppose you see an old man begging people. He is in a pitiful condition. Although some give him food, yet that is not enough. What can you do to help the man? How would you help him? Write in your notebook. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. From where did the $10 bill come first? Answer. The $10 bill came from Pennsylvania at first. 2. What did the $20 bill speak about to the $10 bill one night? Answer. The $20 bill told the $10 bill that it was lucky and about Old Jack. 3. Whom did Old Jack give the $10 bill? Answer. Old Jack gave the $10 bill to a woman who had lost her job and was poor. 4. Who is the author of the story? O. Henry, a famous American storyteller, is the author of this story. Find their meaning. 1. Dirty. Messy. 2. Trouble. Difficulties. 3. Dishonest. Not true. 4. Pocket. A small patch used to carry small things. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. T. Eat. net, 10, near, earn, race, care. Write the anagrams of these words. Use the hints given in the brackets. 1. Soar, a beautiful flower. Answer, rose. 2. Arts, you see them in night sky. Answer, stars. 3. Dusty, you go to school to do this. Answer, study. 4. Swing, these help birds to fly. Answer, wings. 5. Strain, means of transport. Answer, trains. The words clean and dirty have several meanings in the story. Column B shows the different meanings. Match each of the word with its meaning. One item in column B is extra. Column A, 1. Clean. 2. Cleaned out. 3. Dirty work. 4. Dirty. Column B. A. Honest with no record of wrongdoing. B. Played in a fair manner. C. Polluted and foul. D. Unpleasant and dishonest jobs no one wants to do. E. Stolen everything. Answer, clean, played in a fair manner. Cleaned out, honest with no record of wrongdoing. Dirty work, unpleasant and dishonest jobs no one wants to do. Dirty, polluted and foul. Conceptual understanding. Arrange the following giving sentences into the sequence as per the chapter you read. A. I was given to a poor lady. B. I was in the baker's shop. C. I was talking to a $1 bill. D. I was tied up and rolled on with the hawker. E. I didn't know about dirty money. How do you feel when you are not rewarded for any of your good deeds? Do you expect immediate reward or appreciation for your good task? Or you wait and think of doing something better to please your teacher or parents? Communication. Writing skills. This story was about a talking banknote. You can too be a talking mobile or talking TV. Consider yourself as one of these and write a short story. Imagine that you have found a bag full of money that does not belong to you. What will you do in this situation? If you were supposed to use that money in good cause, what would that be? Reading skills. Read these sentences and answer these questions. 1. I counted thousands of bills like this when they were fresh and new. A. Who said these words to whom? B. In which circumstances did the speaker say so? C. Did any mishap happen to the speaker's job? 2. The important thing is not where the bill comes from. It's how you spend it. A. Who said these words to whom? B. Why did the speaker say so? C. Do you agree with the speaker? Listening and speaking skills. Listen carefully to the story about life without money that your teacher reads out. Get into groups of 4. Choose any household object. Imagine that you are that object. Talk about the way you see yourself and how others treat you. Each student will be given 2 minutes. Let's learn spellings. Read the words given below and write them. 1. Adapted. 2. Interesting. 3. Restaurant. 4. Quietly. Let's learn grammar. Frame question for the following statements with whose, which, or what. Example. Answer. Pacific is the largest ocean in the world. Question. Which is the largest ocean in the world? 1. He is wearing my brother's shirt. 2. I need the black color, not the red one. 3. This book has interesting stories. 4. Messi's goal helped Argentina win the match. Fill in the blanks with which or whose. 1. Whose new car is this? 2. Which book are you reading so eagerly? 3. Which year was this book written? 4. Whose pen is it? Is it yours? 5. Which is the way to principal's office? Vocabulary time. A word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing which the noun names, or to tell the number or quantity or amount is called an adjective. Read the given paragraph and underline the adjectives. The monkey and the dolphin. A dolphin saved a monkey in a storm and they swim to an island. The dolphin asks the monkey if he knows the island. The monkey says that he does know the island and that he is the prince of the island. The dolphin leaves the monkey on the island and swims away, and the monkey finds himself all alone on the deserted island.